Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Mazda CX-5 air filters. First, gather your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new cabin and engine air filters. Make sure your engine is cool to the touch before you begin. We'll start by locating the air filter housings, one for the cabin and one for the engine, both easily accessible. To replace the cabin air filter, open your glove compartment and empty its contents. On the right side, you'll find a small dampener arm. Gently detach it. Then, press in on the sides of the glove box to release its clips, allowing it to swing down. Behind it, you'll see the filter housing. Pull out the old filter and slide in the new one, ensuring the airflow arrow points correctly. Now let's tackle the engine air filter. Under the hood, locate the large black air filter box. There are usually 4 to 5 metal clips holding the cover down. Unclip these and then carefully lift the cover. You can then easily remove the old, dirty engine air filter. Place your new filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and securely. To finish up, reattach the engine air filter housing cover by securing all the clips. For the cabin filter, simply push the glove box back into place until it clips and reattach the dampener arm. Double-check that both filters are seated correctly for optimal performance. Remember, regular filter changes improve air quality and engine efficiency. And hey, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.